Hi, what's up guys? Welcome back to 1 Minute School. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to check RAM or device info on Windows 10. So first of all, I'm gonna type here RAM, RAM. Then we can see a menu bar. Here you can see that view RAM info. Just click on that. Yep. Then we can see an interface like this. You can see here device specification, and here is device name, processor, installed RAM, and usable RAM. We also can see here device ID or product ID and installed date. So that's the videos for today. So guys, if you like my videos, please press and hit on the subscribe button. Let's see you in the next videos.